Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today I'll show you the difference between sum and SumX. Very easy explained. So basically sum, it's calculating all rows in a column and is giving you the total of all those rows. On the other side, SumX is going to each row and calculating individually one by one. So for example, let's do an example. Let's calculate. We have here the total. So I'll show you the table what I have. I have a small data set here. So we have units, you have units cost and total. So we want to create this total to make the sum, okay, for all those rows. So let's see, we create a new measure. Perfect. So we say here this will be named sum. Okay. And then we'll add the formula sum. Obviously we want to calculate the sum, and we want to calculate the let's say the total. Okay, so we have the sum here. Now if I'll go here, I'll open, let's say I'll make a small table. I'll just drag this in there, and let's say I'll make something there. I'll just add maybe regions, and then I'll add sum. Now we want to calculate the SumX, but we do with a trick. Here I'll do the trick and you'll understand the difference, okay? Because what I will do, I'll just add here SumX, okay? And I will just put the formula SumX. And obviously when we do a SumX, we'll put the name of the table, so sales orders, then comma, and then again sales order, the name of the table, and we choose what we want to calculate. Okay, so let's say we want to calculate the units, yeah, by and again sales orders by unit cost. Okay, so the result should be the total, which is here, or the sum. Okay, but we do here a trick. We put, let's say, minus 100, maybe 120. Okay, and after that close the parentheses. Okay, perfect. We have the SumX. Let's drag this here. Okay, perfect. So I don't like that this first row here. I don't know why it's showing exclude. I'll just exclude that. Okay, so now we have the same results like here. So what we can see here, we can see that the total is this amount from here. Okay, we should have the same amount here. Okay, but the thing is, we don't have the same amount, because if we calculate manually and we'll do equal and we'll do units plus by the unit cost, and that will be the result, yeah. And then if we do the sum on this, is the same like this one, but what we did here the units minus 120. Okay, so the results, as we can see here, and we go down, is this result. And how the SumX is calculating, we see it's adding minus 120 to each row. So friends, the conclusion is, and how you can what's the difference between those two, and how those will impact you when you use sum and SumX, and when the question is when you use sum or when you use SumX. So the impact is that the sum is calculating the total, whatever it's at the end is calculating that, but the SumX is going to each row. So for example, if you go back in Power BI now, and let's say you want to calculate so the regions, and after that you want to see let's say the you add a few more fields there, and we add this one on the after the region. Okay, this will split always, will see the criteria from here, and will split minus 120. Okay, so that's the difference. So here this will go by each line and will deduct 120 always. Okay, and the sum will be the total. That's the difference between the sum and the SumX. I hope you understand it, and if you like how I described this solution for you, please give me a like and also subscribe. Thank you.